Sarah Jakes Roberts, A Woman Evolved, by Crystal Shepard. Who is Sarah? Sarah Jakes Roberts is a trailblazing entrepreneur, a pastor who's guided by wisdom, and an author who strategically pulls from chapters of her life to empower those seeking a breakthrough or change in mindset. Her global movement, entitled Woman Evolve, focuses on helping women obtain growth, break generational trauma, and help reimagine a new beginning for their lives. Her infamous collection of literature has become New York Times bestsellers. All avenues of her entrepreneurship and platforms are devoted to her mission, which is to assist women in recognizing the need to become the best versions of themselves. Roberts is a West Virginia native who later grew up in Dallas, Texas. Since the building stages of her father's Potter's House empire, she's had to grow up in the public eye. She's openly expressed that becoming a teen mom under her unique circumstances gave her the feeling of shame in being disqualified from God's favor. Later, after entering and exiting a marriage, becoming a waitress at a strip club, and inconsistently attending church, she felt as if she had executed her reputation. But it didn't stop her. She learned from these experiences. She allowed her missteps and her love for God to fuel her to speak her truth. She started vlogging and continued to grow as a minister, philanthropist, and podcaster. Though faced with much adversity, she's been able to press through and accomplish much success. According to Spiller 2023, she's received the Vanguard Award from the Black Women's Health Imperative. This achievement acknowledges those who use their platforms to bring awareness to the issues that impact women of color's health. Roberts has also been named one of Time's 100 Next list of most influential people in the world. Social imperative is a challenge that's often faced by female entrepreneurs. She tackles women's mental and emotional health, and she's gracefully overcome. She's had to battle shame, a tarnished reputation, and scrutiny under the public eye. Roberts' compassion, authenticity, and relatability transformed Woman Evolved, her live streams, and her sermons. She has a massive loyal following. In fact, her 2023 sold-out Woman Evolve conference brought more than 40,000 attendees to hear her and others speak. Roberts leads by example. According to Seisher 2024, those who lead contain qualities such as visionary, problem solver, motivator, and influencer. Sarah is the embodiment of these characteristics. She's successfully brought to life her mission of helping women through her conferences. She viciously attacks the problem of self-doubt and being stuck in a destructive mindset through her motivational sermons. She has impacted many lives through her philanthropic accomplishments. She has appropriately given language to feelings and situations many can't articulate through her books. Roberts has walked through her tribulations, found a path that works, and shares how she made it out to the world in various avenues. Sarah Jakes Roberts is a walking, talking, breathing example of what happens when you practice what you preach. She's allowed her past to be her testimony. Woman Evolve, her books, and inspirational speeches are compiled of lessons she's learned along her journey and what she's done to get to a healthier, more healed version of herself. She doesn't just tell you what to do. She's proof that if you put in the work, it can be done.